National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for Lake Okeechobee until at 11:37 a.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 8 nautical miles west of Sandcut, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Canal Point, Liberty Point, Clewiston, Sandcut, Parkey, and Lake Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor. Reports to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter.